Kaya ako sa English, ikaw sa Nihongo. Good morning!
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Good afternoon!
Konnichiwa.
Good evening!
Konbanwa.
Goodbye!
Sayonara.
Bye!
What's that? Johnny. Ay, Jane.
Thank you!
Wait, I need to put it in my mind. Arigato gozaimasu.
Very good. I'm sorry!
Is
Go.
gomi nasai.
Very good. Expression before eating,
Tadakimasu.
after eating.
Gochisu sama dashita.
Very good. Now let's try introducing yourself. Introduce yourself. Go.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Minasan.
Minasan, ohayo gozaimasu. My name is Macy Hayley Lamador Tamura. I am 6 years old. My birthday is November 2, 2018. My favorite,
I live
I live
in
in Beach Club, Lanang, Davao City. My favorite color is
color.
My
Or
favorite colors are rainbow and pink.
next.
My favorite
Sports.
sports is riding a bike and badminton.
R ha kasi dalawa. Next.
Next,
My favorite
my favorite sports
subject.
subject is Nihongo.
I
I like to eat chicken and rice.
I
I
love
to play with
I
rain.
love playing with
I love playing with Rainy.
my talent
My talent is
or
dancing and singing and
ay dili balik-balik ang end. Dancing, singing, diretso.
singing and tumbling and vlogging.
Ika-isa lang lagi mag-end. Sa dulo na. Do it again.
Okay.
My talent or
My talent are tumbling, singing, okay, and vlogging.
singing, dancing.
Singing, dancing, tumbling, and vlogging.
Tumbling is gymnastic ha. Sige, go. Last. I want.
I want to become a soldier.
Very good. Kasi may ba?
Oh, baba din ng
Memorize pa, ha?